For the sinners and the saints, two worlds collide in a beautiful display.
It's all up tonight.
And it's all love tonight. When we step across the line, we'll sail across the sea to a city with one dream, a city on our
You're walking in this light. You can rock J's and rock bands and rock Nikes. You can have tattoos and you can ride bikes. But it don't really matter what it is, what you're doing, as long as you show Christ. You can rock ice, you can eat rice, you can drink Sprite, just live life. But if you're living right, you can just be yourself and attract souls like ants on the Klondike. You can be a young buck playing in the sandbox, hitting home runs for the kingdom out the sandlot. You can be in junior high playing on the ball team, but before your free throws, let's give God the glory. You can be in high school, still living holy, still letting folks know that Jesus is the answer, still let your candle shine like the amber by just being in worship, submitting with your hands up.
For the sinners and the saints, two worlds collide in a glorious display. And it's all love tonight. When we step across the line, we'll sail across to a city with one dream, a city on our knees.
Joshua J, you want to get another verse? I want another verse. Let me think right quick. Yeah. Where can I go with this? Let me boast right quick. In him, freestyle. Christ is my lifeline, Christ is my getaway, Christ is my refuel, Florida calls it Gatorade. Christ is the way to I am, so I am grateful that I am, give me the Son of Man. Christ is my ATM, Christ is my ABC, so he's my cash flow, it's as if it grows on trees. He broadcast me to America so he can get the glory, dog, be something like a trendsetter. Christ gave me swagger cuz, Christ gave me identity. Christ is like my skinny jeans, I'm posted in eternity. Christ is like my palm free, can't leave home without him. Now pray these analogies stick with you when you're outie. Christ is the victor, something like the King of Kings, overcame the world of sin and he sits in royalty. And so as he is in eternity, so I am seated with him currently. I'm rocking with the Christ like Lenny Kravitz and Green Day. And see, he bought me with a price like eBay. And see, take that, Jim. Jump solo. All right.